As you can see right here, it does it like almost perfectly. Now the face isn't like 100% on point, but it's pretty close. This client of mine basically sent me their creative that went viral or was winning for them. I'm not quite sure, but essentially what they're wanting is to remove or replace the male creator seen in this video and swap him out for a much older woman. I'm assuming this client just wants to test a different audience. This is the video right here. I'll just go ahead and play a little bit of it just to show you how much movement is happening. A lot of text, transitions, things of that nature. It's just a lot for AI to mesh itself into this video, at least from my experience. Um, First step is to copy the video link that you're wanting. I came over here to this website. I'll link everything down below. I'm using this because it's free and I just need to download the video onto my desktop. I clicked download without watermark. Once you have that saved on your desktop, I came over here to freepik.com. Now, to be completely transparent with you, I got inspiration from this creator here. I'll link his channel down below. Very informative, and I'm using his exact method. Only thing is, I ran into several, I'd say hiccups. It's nothing crazy, but once you attempt to do this, you're going to notice that the more complex the video is, the more challenging it is to get AI to actually get the avatar to switch consistently and looking the same. So the method in this YouTube video, as you can see, the frames are a little bit easier to understand and it's not so, how do I say this? This is basically him sitting down in one spot, but his movements are changing, not necessarily the shot itself, the angle. So if you watch the creator, this YouTube channel, you're going to notice that he says to take screenshots of each frame, which is what I did, which is not the problem. It is time consuming, but the main issue was getting the avatar to look the same each frame, especially for this video. So, and mind you, there's credits you have to buy over time if you're using a software like this. The easiest way I found to work was to simply, I'm just going to go to a blank page here. I'm going to just come to a space, right? And all I'm going to do is upload that video we downloaded from TikTok. I'm going to add it here. It might take a second to load. Okay, as you can see here, this is the video, right? I'm going to come over to video generator. And for some reason, it's hard for this to actually pick up. I need this to be full screen. So if I come over here and I try to click this, it's not going to work for some reason. If I come back, I don't know why it doesn't work. But just give me a second. If I click this, use video, it still gives me this error. Let me try to refresh it, because I was having trouble with this. Okay, so there it goes right there. So you don't edit this video, which is what popped up before. You're going to want to edit this video. I know this is kind of crazy. I don't know if this is like a glitch or maybe it's just me, but what you're going to do is you're going to come to edit and then you're going to type in replace the young male with a mid-aged female. And then when I click this, it should work. Okay, so as you can see, it's rendering and it's loading. While we wait on this, it's probably going to take, it's going to take 3 minutes. I want to show you something. This video has him speaking. So not only are we trying to get the hand movements, but now we have to worry about the mouthing and the text. No, not the text, the voice of it. So here is the voice. Okay, so all I did was take the same URL. I came over here to freeconvert, and I'm basically going to give it the video, which is an MP4 file, and convert it to an MP3. I already did this, as you can see right here. Okay, and what I did to make it a bit easier was I came over here to video generator, audio, uploaded the actual MP4 video. I don't know, you probably could have just clicked on this, but I just used the audio. And then from here, you just select the voiceover you want. But, I would select one that kind of matches the avatar that, gets generated. So once you do that, like for example, I'll just click that. I'll just generate it just to show you an example. It's going to generate the voice, and all you're going to do is download it. So it's going to show like a little download button over here. And I did that already. Make you look 20 years older, use nice. Okay, so from there, what I plan on doing, well, okay, so this is the avatar it created. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not perfect, but it is way better than what I've been trying to do, especially because of the hand motions and the movement, trying to get it right. And it's pretty good. You know what I mean? Like this took me a minute to figure out. And all I'm gonna do is do this for, it only takes 8 to 9 seconds. But if I just edit it per 8 to 9 seconds until the video is done, all I'm going to do is clip it up together. For example, let me just go ahead and do it with you. I already downloaded it. I'm going to personally just use this editing software that's on Microsoft, free, by the way. And I'll just click on this. All right, so I'll just delete this. And one of the main reasons why I want to take it out of freepik is not just to edit, but I want to add the sound effects to all of this. Is this it? Or is this a video? No, that's not the right person. Let me get this one, and then let me go ahead and add the audio. If I add that here. Your eyes make you look 20 years old. Wow. Okay, so it has the, let me go ahead and the audio, detach it. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna add the female voiceover. Let's hear how it sounds. Your eyes make you look. Here's the female's voice. If your eyes make you look 20. Now, of course, you just want to come in here and kind of modify things. Let me just go ahead and export that, see how it looks. Honestly, this is pretty good to me.
Your eyes make you look 20 years older. Use niacinamide. If they're puffy or swollen every morning,
so you can see it's not perfect at all, but come on. It's not that bad. And of course, like, I'd want to remove this text. I probably want to remove this so that I can do the transitions myself.
make you look 20 years older. Use niacinamide. If they're puffy or swollen every morning, use caffeine. If you're getting wrinkles like an old person, take peptide. If your dark eyes always make
But yeah, that's basically how I did it for this video here. I personally like this version. It looks a little bit better, more natural, doesn't look super fake. So you're just going to have to kind of test it out each time. But that is just the easiest way I found to transfer a more complex video into something that looks more natural. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below.